As you can see, we've got a nipped finger, and it's got blood trapped under the nail, and the bastard thing's throbbing. So what I'm going to do is put a little hole in there to let the blood out and let the pain go away. People say it doesn't hurt when you burn a hole in the nail. They haven't had the bastard done, have they? Ah, you bastard! Nearly through. With it, bastard. When it squirts like that, you know you've got it. And all the pain and nastiness goes away. And clean it. And then seal the hole up with a little bit of super glue and that'll. Oh. Right. Pain's gone now. That'll heal up nicely. Alcohol wipe just to make sure it is clean before we seal it. Oh, the blood coming out there. That's what causes the pain, the pressure of the blood. The bastard. You can see the blacks actually come out now with the finger. The black nail's nearly gone. All the badness is out of the bastard.